Now, bad debts. Whenever we have sold goods on credit to customer or debtors, and out of the amount due, whatever amount they are not paying or whatever amount we are receiving less is called bad debts. So bad debts may be given in your trial balance, and sometimes there will be a separate adjustment regarding bad debt also. So there is a specific format for presenting bad debts and calculating bad debts. Then bad debt reserve, or you can say provision for doubtful debt. To set off the amount of bad debts, we will specifically keep aside certain amount, that is called bad debt reserve. And whenever we are giving discount to debtors, a reserve is created which is known as discount reserve on debtors. So what will be its effect in balance sheet and in trial balance? So bad debts of trial balance will be written here, and bad debt reserve given in trial balance will be subtracted. Now, in your trial balance, you will be given debtors or customers. From that, first of all, you have to give effect of unrecorded sales return, wrongly recorded sales return, and afterwards you have to provide for bad debts given in adjustment. Then on the remaining amount, if they have specifically asked you to create bad debt reserve or provide for doubtful and bad debts, then that is BDR, bad debt reserve. And from that amount, lastly, you have to provide for discount reserve on debtors. Now, since we have subtracted all these items on the asset side, its reverse effect will be on the debit side of P&L. Bad debts of trial balance plus bad debts of adjustment plus bad debt reserve of adjustment minus bad debt reserve given in trial balance. Now, in case the amount will be negative, if you are adding bad debt reserve and then subtracting bad debt reserve, then amount comes negative, then you should transfer on the credit side by bad debt reserve. Now, discount allowed or discount given? Given in trial balance plus discount reserve on debtors, which we have subtracted from debtors. And if the balance of discount reserve is given in trial balance, it will be subtracted. Same way, there may be discount reserve on creditors also. So it will appear on liability side. After giving effect of purchase and purchase return. It will appear on the credit side of P&L account. By discount received or discount earned given in trial balance. Plus discount reserve on creditors, that is of adjustment. And balance of discount reserve given in trial balance will be subtracted. So you can see the item of adjustment will be having two effects, one in P&L account, the other in balance sheet. So these are the adjustment of bad debt reserve, discount reserve on debtors and discount reserve on creditors. Now, adjustment of interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission, remuneration payable to partner. So interest on capital will be having first effect on debit side of P&L appropriation account, and second effect will be on the credit side of partner's current or capital account. Same way, interest on drawing will be having debit effect on partner's capital or current account and will be second effect on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. Any salary, bonus, commission and remuneration payable to partner is expense for the firm. So it will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. And the same will be credited to partner's capital or current account. Then if there is adjustment regarding transfer to general reserve, if it is given that transfer 10,000 rupees to general reserve out of divisible profit, then its first effect will be on the debit side of P&L appropriation account and second effect will be on the liability side of balance sheet. If the balance of general reserve is given in trial balance, the same amount of adjustment will be added to it, otherwise it will be straight away transferred on the liability side of balance sheet general reserve. Then interest on loan given by partners to the firm. So this loan is liability for the firm. So it will appear on liability side. Loan by partner to the firm. Now interest on loan will be calculated on the specified percentage. If it is given that interest on loan is to be calculated at 10% per annum and the amount of loan is 1 lakh, then interest will be 10% of 1 lakh, that is 10,000. First effect, debit side of P&L account. And second effect, liability side of balance sheet. Now if nothing is specified regarding rate of interest, then it must be calculated at 6% per annum. Now, see, suppose this is trial balance. 31st March 2021. Debit balance, credit balance. Now, suppose there are two partners A and B. Now, it is given A's loan one lakh simply. Then rate of interest is not specified. Then interest will be calculated at 6% per annum. So amount of interest will be 6% of 1 lakh, that is 6,000. So first effect will be on the debit side of P&L account, outstanding interest on A's loan 6,000. Second effect on the liability side of balance sheet, outstanding interest on A's loan. Now suppose in trial balance interest on loan is given 2,000. Then see what will happen. First of all, A's loan 1 lakh. Then interest on loan already debited, that is 2,000. Now actually interest on loan will be 6,000. If nothing is specified, it has to be calculated as 6%. So 6% of 1 lakh, that will be 6,000. Then total amount of interest will be 6,000. Out of that 2,000 has already been given. So outstanding interest amount will be 4,000. Second effect will be on the liability side. Now, if in trial balance you have been given a date, A's loan, say okay, go ahead, from say 1st December 20. Then interest on loan should be provided for 4 months: December, January, February and March. Then interest on loan will be 6% of 1 lakh into 4 divided by 12. So it will be 2000. Okay. And if it is already given 2000, then there will be no adjustment effect because already been given. But if it is not given 2000, if this amount is not given in trial balance, then first effect on the debit side of P&L account, outstanding interest on loan, and second effect, outstanding on interest on loan, liability side. If instead of 2000, if it is given say 500, then on debit side of P&L account you have to write to interest on loan 500 plus outstanding 1500 because total interest payable is 2000. So outstanding amount will be 1500, and second effect of outstanding interest on loan will be 1500 on the liability side of balance sheet. Any asset brought in by partner to the business. If partner has introduced any asset, if for example partner A has brought his personal computer worth rupees 1 lakh to the business, so its first effect will be on the asset side, computer, because it is asset 1 lakh, and second effect will be on the credit side of either capital account or current account of partner, especially capital account because this is additional capital. So on credit side of partner's capital you have to write by computer bracket my additional capital 1 lakh. So if interest on capital will be calculated, it will be calculated on this computer also. Suppose amount of capital for partner A is 10 lakh and interest is to be calculated at 10%, and he has brought in personal computer worth rupees 1 lakh on 1st October 2020. Then interest on capital will be calculated on 10 lakh 10%, that is 1 lakh. Then on personal computer it is also capital, so 1 lakh into 10% from 1st October to 31st March, that is for 6 months. So 1 lakh into 10% into 6 divided by 12, so that will be 5000. So total interest on capital for partner A in this case will be 1 lakh 5000. Okay. Then next adjustment, goods destroyed by fire. If in the adjustment it is given that goods destroyed by fire 10,000 rupees, it will have two effects. First, it will be subtracted from purchase, goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Second effect, on the debit side of profit and loss account, loss by fire. Same adjustment આપણે બીજો કેસ જોઈએ. Goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Insurance company accepted full amount of claim. એટલે we have lost goods of 10,000, but સામે insurance company આપણને પૂરા પૈસા આપી દીધા. Insurance company has accepted full claim. Now first effect from the debit side of trading account, from purchase we will subtract goods destroyed by fire 10,000, and second effect on the asset side of balance sheet, insurance company claim 10,000. Next case, goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Insurance company admitted 60% of claim. ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપની 60% અમાઉન્ટ આપણને આપી. આપણે ઘણીવાર એવું થતું હોય કે ફૂલ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ પાસ ના થાય, બરાબર. then there will be three effect. First, from purchase on the debit side of trading account you have to subtract 10,000, goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Then 60% of amount will be given by insurance company because they have admitted the claim. So 6,000 insurance claim asset side. So your loss is 4,000 because out of goods worth rupees 10,000 lost by fire, 6,000 will be reimbursed by insurance company. So your actual loss is 4,000. So 4,000 will be debited on P&L account. Aji ek case. Goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Insurance company admitted claim of 60% amount. 1,000 rupees was received by selling the burnt good as scrap. 10,000 ના goods તમારા destroy થઈ ગયા, બળી ગયા. એમાંથી insurance company accept કર્યો claim 60% નો. અને એમાંથી 1,000 rupees તમે ભંગારમાં સ્ક્રેપમાં જે બધા બગડી ગયેલા જે સ્ક્રેપમાં જે goods છે એ સ્ક્રેપમાં આપી દીધા. અને એમાં તમને સ્ક્રેપના you have received 1,000 rupees. Now this will have four effects. First, on the debit side of trading account from purchase you will subtract goods destroyed by fire 10,000. Insurance company is going to give you 60%, that is 10,000 or 60%, 6,000. So on asset side insurance company bracket ma claim 6,000. You have received 1,000 cash by selling them as scrap. Like cash ma add karwa 1,000 rupees. Okay, cash balance je hoy tamaru asset side, in that 1,000 will be added. Now your actual loss is 3,000. Out of 10,000, 6,000 will be given by insurance company, 1,000 you have realized by selling the goods as scrap. So your actual loss, net loss is 3,000. So 3,000 will be debited to profit and loss account as loss by fire. 3,000. Okay?
સ્ક્રેપ વાળું ઇન્કમમાં નહીં આવશે?
ના, એ આપણે અલગથી સ્ક્રેપ સેલ કર્યો તો વસ્તુ અલગ છે, પણ આ તો ગુડ્સ જ આપણે સેલ કર્યા છે એટલે ઇન્કમમાં ના આવે. તમને અલગથી એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ એવો આપ્યો હોય કે સ્ક્રેપ ઓર ન્યૂઝપેપર સોલ્ડ, તો એની બે ઇફેક્ટ આવે કે કેશમાં આવે અને પીએનએલ માં ક્રેડિટ આવે. બટ ધીસ ઇઝ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ એડજસ્ટમેન્ટ. તમે જો પછી એને ઇન્કમ સાઈડ એડ કરો તો તમારે લોસ 4,000 બતાવવો પડે. ધેટ ઇઝ રોંગ. બરાબર, જેટલું આપણે ડેબિટ કર્યું એટલું જ ક્રેડિટ થાય. 10,000 તમે પરચેસ માંથી માઈનસ કર્યું તો 10,000 goods loss, so that is 10,000 credit effect. 6,000 you will be received from insurance company, 3,000 you are lost and 1,000 you are adding to cash, so total 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10,000 debit effect. પછી એવું કીધું હોય કે goods worth rupees 10,000 distributed as free sample. So it will have two effects. From purchase you will subtract goods distributed as free sample 10,000. Second effect, on the debit side of P&L account it will be added to advertisement expense. And advertisement expense na api hoy so it will be shown as advertisement expense 10,000. Then goods withdrawn for personal use subtracted from purchase and debited to respective partners capital account or current account. Goods withdrawn for personal use. જો બંને પાર્ટનરે વિથડ્રો કર્યા હોય તો બંનેના અકાઉન્ટમાં ડેબિટ થાય. કોઈ સિંગલ પાર્ટનરે વિથડ્રો કર્યા હોય તો રિસ્પેક્ટિવ પાર્ટનરના અકાઉન્ટમાં ડેબિટ થાય. બરાબર? હા. printing and stationery expense, say 5,000 rupees. एडजस्टमेंट में वो आप है क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी rupees 500. Then it will have two effects. On debit side of P&L account, printing and stationery 5,000 minus stationery stock or closing stock of stationery. Second effect on the asset side of balance sheet. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.